Welcome to Microsoft Excel trainings. By using the SUMPRODUCT operation in Excel, we can multiply the values in two columns together and add them together. Friends, what we do in normal multiplication operations is normally, for example, if we want to multiply our sales and commission here and add them together, they are equal. What we need to do is say the value here times the value here, press enter and pull it down. We found all our commission rates. Now, if we want to get the total of the commission rates here, after pressing the total icon here, we scan the range we want to get the total, and when we press enter, we find the total value here. Now, these friends can be done more simply with the sum multiplication function. SUM is equal to the product function or the sum multiplication function. If you are using English SUMPRODUCT, if you are using Turkish add dot product function, we do it this way. We open parentheses. The use is the same. Semicolon. Multiply the values here with the values there. That is, multiply each other mutually and add them together. When you press IP enter, you will see that the result appears again as 65. Now, why use this when you can find the totals here, find the multiplications and add the total here when this value exists? There is a subtle difference in nuance. When we do it this way, the Excel file takes up more space and becomes swollen, so to speak, because our tables and pages will end in 10, 15, 20 cells. But when you do it in one place, the size of the Excel file becomes smaller. When we do this, the size of the Excel file becomes larger. Now we can similarly do this as an array formula. I say equal. Look, I say collected again, equal. Multiply these values here. I mean the values over there. I'm closing the parenthesis. When you press Ctrl-Shift-Enter, you can also use this as a series of formulas. Multiplying the ball does the same thing. It is used in a similar way. Let's say ignore the error from here. Let's say ignore the error in this one too. In this way, friends, if you only want to see the result, use the add, multiply and present product operation, but it varies depending on the location. Sometimes it is necessary to see here. It is necessary to do an operation on it. But if you only need the result, add it again without doing anything that will swell the Excel file and use the multiplication operation. You can simply finish.